Those tires on that truck.
I know, right? It's a beast.
Looking good. Hey, you got a crane in the back of that truck.
I know. To crane stuff with.
To lift stuff with. Yeah.
Oh.
Is it going to make it up to the island, and is it going to give us years of good companionship and work?
I feel like it's good if we have a connection. I feel like.
Okay. So Haley, is it okay if I include you in this little video of us loading up the truck?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, cool, man. Thank you.
I don't know. We haven't even asked anybody what to name it.
I'm calling it the Brown Beast for the time being. Because it's brown and it's a beast.
Wow. How original.
Sounds kind of dirty, but Brown Beast and the Spirit Bear.
Yeah.
That's the van.
We have two neighbor kids that live down the way, and Braden said that it looked like rust. I was like, no, that's the color.
He's so like, Braden is so like careful with his words too, so, and very like intelligently careful. Like I can see him saying that. It looks like rust.
Like I thought it was rust. That the color was rust, and I was like, no, it's brown.
What can brown do for you? Well, brown can bring you some plants.
We have so many.
No,
So I have a question.
Yeah.
Do we have a problem that we don't even have flooring or furniture, but we have plants?
Well,
Like,
if you are a gardener and watching this video, you'll know that gardeners always buy plants and trees, whether they have room or not. But my thought goes, this orchard is going to have over 500 fruit trees in it. But when we find good ones, we got to get them, and I have to slowly piece this together. So this is only like 10 trees.
only like 10 trees?
Maybe
It's
like
not
15
10 trees.
Like 15 trees. 15 out of 500, we got a long ways to go. We got to start somewhere. The only thing I didn't think of that I'm really nervous about right now
Is deer.
that I just thought of is deer. I didn't think about deer.
We have deer. But we haven't seen them back here. We've only seen bear.
Yeah.
We haven't seen deer here because it might be too cramped and like they wouldn't be able to like run away fast.
And
I
since
feel
there's
like they
lots
would
of
feel
bear
trapped
and
here.
wolf here, the deer might be like,
Like we haven't
don't
even
go that
seen
way."
any like deer scat or anything. Like
Yeah.
we haven't even seen. Oh, I'm cutting myself out. So hopefully we don't have that problem. But
And we're gonna put all this stuff really close to the yurt so that we're making noise and we're defenders of it.
yeah. So now we gotta unload all this stuff.
Let's do it. That's the fun part.
I'm ready for a nap.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
I'm ready for a nap.